everybody, Lorraine here. I have not had a very successful day painting. I had 2 attempts and 2 fails. So, I'm going to just do a cute little flip cup here, and hopefully this will be a success. My torch kind of freaked out on me because I think I overfilled it. Looks like it's doing okay now. Looks like I got something right in the middle here though. Get rid of that. There we go. So, I have my itty bitty cup here. It's a little shot glass. And I have spilled paint over here, I can see. That's alright. I'm going to start by putting some white in my cup. Can you see this down here? Move it up a little bit. Put some white in my cup. I'm going to go to a yellow. This is like a canary yellow. Put a little bit of green. This is a light green. I'm going to go to some red. It's a primary red. This is an ocean blue. And I have a sky blue here. Let's see, what else? What else do I have? The phthalo blue. That looked kind of strange coming out of there. Let's not be mixed up all the way. Let's try that one again. That's better. Put in a little bit of purple. A little bit more red. Just kind of being random here. I'm not doing this in any kind of order. My ocean blue. Top it off with some white. Just get it on the top. Put it down here. See my pretty little cup. This is from me scraping off the ones that didn't work out. Move this around here. Ooh. Get those colors mixed together a little bit here. Pretty, pretty. I think I might like this one. I don't even want to tilt it. Making some really cool cells. Little ones, but they're really cool. I didn't put any silicone or anything in this. I can see there's more paint on here than I want to leave on my canvas. So let's see, what can I do? Get rid of some of that. Bring it back over. some reason I just love that red with the purple. Just does some really neat effects. It makes the red look kind of like it's glowing. Looks like I moved it a little bit too fast. Got a little muddy area over here. I'll let it settle a minute. This got really muddy over here. This is really pretty over here. Red down here. Not liking this so much right here. Maybe I can tilt some of it down. Wow. Get some stretched out cells right here. It just looks like webbing. Okay. I am liking this. I like the bright colors. Bring it down a little bit more in the center frame here so you can see all of this in here. I'll take my torch to it, see if there's any bubbles, see if anything kind of pops up here. Oh, there's a lot of bubbles. Pretty, pretty. Success! After 2 fails, that feels good. I really like this one. Well guys, thanks for visiting with me. Oh, I should bring the camera down so you can see a close-up on it. Let me do that. Okay, here we go. Get a little closer to it. See how that's all coming together. It's really cool webbing going on up here. This is the corner that got a little bit muddy, but it still works. I think it turned out very, very pretty. Again, thanks for visiting with me tonight. Let me know what you think of my painting in the comments. I'd appreciate it. Bye.